In this video, I'm going to show you how to do your oil change on a Ford Taurus. You're going to start underneath. You're going to use a 16mm socket, and you're going to loosen up your oil plug. Make sure you have a drip pan underneath, ready to catch the oil. All right, so you're going to hold the plug in, apply pressure as you unscrew it, and then right at the last minute when you know you're out, you pull it and then the oil will come out, not all over your arm. All right, under close inspection, I noticed that this washer was pretty brittle, and I tried to take it off to change it and it just broke, so that's a good sign that you need a new one. So you want to change that. I found one that fits, so I'm going to use that. All right, so now we can put our plug hand tight in. All right, so you're going to torque your drain plug to 10 foot-pounds. So now you're going to put your oil filter wrench on the oil filter. Make sure you have a drip pan below. You can also get it from underneath, but it's a little easier actually with this car to get it from the top. You just loosen it a little, let the oil drip. Okay, so now you can fully unscrew the oil filter. And take the filter out. Make sure that your gasket is still on your oil filter. If it's not, then it's stuck to the block and you gotta get that off. You don't want to double gasket it. All right, so you're gonna want to put some oil on the gasket. Now you can put it on. You're gonna go down under the exhaust manifold. And just spin it on. Okay, after you spin it on till it doesn't go anymore, you're gonna tighten it down about 3/4 of another turn. All right, so just make sure that you clean up any oil that may have dripped. It's kind of hard to get to, so you can also do it from underneath. Okay, so now that we have our oil filter on and our oil plug is tight, we're going to put our oil in. We're going to use 5W20, which is what's recommended. This vehicle takes 4.5 quarts. All right, so now we only need a half left of this quart. Put the cap on. Check your oil. It should be above the full line at this point because the oil hasn't gone to the oil filter yet. You want it to be full up to this dot. You want to start your vehicle up, let it run, make sure the oil light goes out, and then shut it off, and then recheck your oil, and if you have to top it off a little bit more, go ahead.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.